Partially 16, spending my first Thanksgiving dinner away from my family. This is adulting, I guess. I just turned 16 and I wanted to start applying for jobs. I found a "We're hiring" sign on the door of one of my favorite stores, Old Navy. I got hired, yay! Little did I know that this company starts their Black Friday deals on Thanksgiving Day and that I would miss out on celebrating this holiday with my family. In the past few years, Black Friday deals have been starting earlier and earlier. Most of them now start on Thanksgiving Day. I had to work on Thanksgiving Day at 4 p.m. This is when we opened at Old Navy. I just thought this was absolutely absurd. To me and my family, Thanksgiving was always a day to be with family, give thanks, and count our blessings. A lot of people have to leave their families on Thanksgiving to go into work. This is a day to be thankful for what we have. And what are we doing? Waiting in long lines, being greedy, being the greedy Americans we are, to get this certain deal at a certain store, while the employees are dreading having to leave their families to go into work. It's sad to see that a day of thanks has turned into such a day of craziness and greediness. Retail workers should not be required to work on Thanksgiving Day for early Black Friday openings. We must act to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to have a day off to spend with their families before the craziness of Black Friday starts. First, we will discuss the issue and its importance. Second, I will present a simple solution. And finally, you can learn how to help and support this issue. Retailers being open on Thanksgiving is a problem not only for their employees who want to spend a nice turkey dinner with their family and friends. Burlington Coat Factory says that this is their reasoning for being closed on Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving is more than turkey, or football, or sleeping in. It's a time to reflect, to be thankful and appreciate what we have, to celebrate and share with family and friends near and far. Retailers should follow in Burlington's footsteps. They got so much great feedback from their employees and customers. A customer, Jackie, said, "Thank you, Burlington, for caring about your families. Thank you, Burlington, for caring about your employees and customers enough to give them time to spend with their families. Because of this, I will always be a customer. It is more than just making money, which a lot of stores these days don't seem to understand. So kudos to you and happy Thanksgiving." This positive feedback was enough for Burlington to know that their decision to close on Thanksgiving Day was a good one. We should be a nation of values, but instead we're a nation of consumerism. We allow corporations too much power. We are the people and we are the majority. Political officials should see that now more than ever we the people of America, need our holidays and we need our family time. Times are hard, as many say and many feel. Right now, Americans' morale is low, and this should be a breaking point for many, and this could be a breaking point for many of us. Corporations have Black Friday. Let families keep Thanksgiving. Several years after retailers started opening their doors on Thanksgiving Day, the idea still remains controversial. A survey from thebestblackfriday.com found almost 6 out of 10 Americans don't agree with the trend. This explains why some retailers are calling it quits on Thanksgiving or trimming their holiday hours. According to CBS News, Target, for one, said it would hit the pause button on through-the-night Thanksgiving shopping. Sears Hometown Stores and Shoe Carnival are among the companies that are reversing their decision to open on Thanksgiving Day. Some retailers are realizing that they really aren't benefiting from being open on Thanksgiving Day. The Mall of America, Office Depot, and consumer electronics retailer H.H. Gregg are among the retailers that have announced they'll be closing on Thanksgiving Day. Walmart has been a catalyst for for Thanksgiving Day openings. The retail giant opened initially to help shoppers who need groceries for their Thanksgiving dinner. It's important, according to Garcia from a newscast It's important to us that our associates are able to be home with their families on Thanksgiving, and we are encouraging that our customers do the same, knowing great deals are available online on Black Friday and through the weekend. This is from H. Gregg, Chief Executive Bob Reisenbeck. Now, I understand that big stores such as Walmart have huge benefits by opening their doors early. This may be fine since they are mostly a convenient grocery store, but I believe that their employees should get a choice when it comes to working on a family-centered holiday. Some people who work in retail don't mind working on Thanksgiving, but the people who do mind should get the choice on this day of giving thanks in family. In an article from the Pew Research Center, a news poll by CBS asked people if holiday shopping was something they look forward to or dreaded. 42% of Americans said they looked forward to it, while 50% of Americans said they dreaded it. Also, according to the Pew Research Center, 61% say they won't shop at all over Thanksgiving weekend, compared with 36% who say they will. And just 2% of Americans say they will shop on Thanksgiving Day itself, while the majority of Americans, 76%, believe that stores should be closed on this day. Most Americans are not for shopping on Thanksgiving Day. If the resolution is implemented, there will be so much more happy customers and employees, including me. I've worked on Thanksgiving Day for 3 years now in a row. I've had to cut my family time short for my job. Like me, most people cannot just quit their job because they make us work on Thanksgiving Day. We need to keep our jobs, so that's why we go into work. I believe there should be a choice for all the employees. I don't think that much will happen if the resolution is not implemented. I am sure that the companies will still find a way to make money. These companies will just be known as greedy since they will not lay off their employees. The Black Friday in America has gotten out of hand in the last few years. Starting early deals on Thanksgiving Day takes away from what the holiday is really all about. It limits what the employees who must work on the holiday can do with their families on that day. Black Friday deals just need to stick to starting early on Friday like they always have. If you agree with me, then all you have to do is stay home on Thanksgiving Day and be with your family. This will show commercial retailers that they really do not need to be open on Thanksgiving. It will show them to just stick to having their sales start on actual Black Friday like they used to.